welcome back to our channel. So, last time we already learned about our body head part. So, for today's lesson, we'll be learning about the body part. So, catch up! Now, we will begin our lessons for today. Enjoy! Number 1. Head. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Number 2. Neck. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Number 3. Shoulder. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Number 4. Body. 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 B-O-D-Y. Body. Number 5. Hands. 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 H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Number 6. Legs. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Number 7. Fingers. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Number 8. Foot. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Let's repeat it again. Head. Head. Neck. Neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. Body. Body. Hands. Hands. Legs. Legs. Foot. Foot. Fingers. Fingers. So, let's count it. How many fingers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kiddos, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.